I finally cracked the code on why some YouTubers blow up and make millions while others stay stuck at zero. And guess what? The secret isn't just about fancy gear or viral luck. It all starts with how you set up your YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through a proven process of setting up a YouTube channel that converts viewers into subscribers. We'll cover everything most YouTube millionaires don't want you to know, step by step. Step 1. Creating a Gmail account for YouTube channel. To get started, you'll first need a Gmail account. If you already have one for personal use, you could technically use that. But my strong recommendation is to create a separate Gmail account specifically for your YouTube journey. And here is why. Creating a dedicated Gmail account keeps your personal and YouTube worlds separate, strengthens security if you ever bring in collaborators, and gives you a professional email identity for connecting with brands, partners, and viewers. So, head to your browser, go to google.com, click Gmail, then click Create Account. If you're serious about treating your channel like a business, select the business option. Click on Get Gmail Address. Now fill out the basic information, first name and last name. Don't overthink this part. This isn't your channel name. Fill in your date and year of birth, your gender, then create a Gmail address that's clean, easy to remember, and fits your channel and niche. Lock it down with a solid password, at least 12 characters, with a good mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Verify your account with your phone number. This step is critical for security and will also be needed later when you verify your YouTube channel. Finally, add a recovery email. This could be your primary Gmail account. Then fill out the other required info and agree to the Google terms. Congratulations! You now have a Google account dedicated to powering your YouTube channel. Step 2. Creating and customizing your YouTube channel. Now that you've got your shiny new Google account, it's time for the fun part, creating your actual YouTube channel. Head over to youtube.com and make sure you're signed in with the Google account you just created. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Create a Channel. You'll be asked to confirm your name and handle. But first, let's clear up one thing that confuses a lot of beginners: the difference between your channel name and your channel handle. Your channel name is your stage name. It's the main identity of your channel. It is what people see on your channel homepage and next to your videos. Think of creators like MrBeast or Hasid Boss. That's their identity. Right below that is your handle. Think of it as your permanent ID on YouTube, which is the @username that uniquely identifies your channel across YouTube. No two channels can share the same handle. For example, multiple channels might call themselves MrBeast, but only one can have the handle @MrBeast. Handles are super important because they're how people tag you in comments. And every handle has to be unique. Remember, keep both your channel name and handle short, memorable, and easy to spell. Pro tip: you can always prompt ChatGPT to generate channel name ideas that connect with your niche using this prompt. Don't worry, I'll drop all my prompts in the description so you can grab them anytime. Also, do a quick search to see if any big YouTubers are already using that name before settling with the name. If they are, it's better to tweak your name slightly so you stand out instead of blending in. Once you find one that feels right, lock it in and start building your brand around it. Don't stress, you can change all of this later. If your first choice is taken in the handle name, don't worry, just get creative. Add words like official or number to make it yours. Then hit Create Channel. And boom, your YouTube channel is officially ready. But right now, it's basically a blank canvas. No one's going to take it seriously unless we customize it and make it stand out. First, your profile picture. Let's bring your YouTube channel to life with professional branding. Think of branding as giving your channel a face, a personality, and a vibe that viewers instantly recognize, and whether they click subscribe often comes down to how professional and inviting your channel looks. So, let's set your profile picture. Click on Customize Channel. You'll notice the tabs at the top: Profile, Home tab, and Publish. The Profile tab is your creative control center. Scroll to Picture. Click on Upload. If you're the face of your channel, use a clean headshot with good lighting. Smile, look approachable, and keep it cropped nice and close to your face so your face doesn't disappear into the background. But if your channel is more brand or topic focused, use a simple logo or icon that reflects your niche. Think clarity over complexity. The best logos are simple, clean and instantly recognizable. That's the vibe you want for your channel image. Easy to spot, easy to remember. Step 3. Your channel banner. This is the big artwork across the top of your channel homepage, kind of like your billboard. It's the first thing people see when they visit your channel, so it's your chance to make a strong impression. But here's the trap most beginners fall into. They overcomplicate it. They cram in too much text, too many images, or they try to explain their entire life story in one picture. Please don't do that. The best banners are simple. A clean image with 1 or 2 clear elements. If you are adding text, keep it short. It could be your channel name or a short tagline like 10x income. The colors and style should match your channel's vibe. If you're not a designer, don't sweat it. You don't need to be. That's where Canva comes in. Go to canva.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. It's free, easy to use, and packed with ready-made templates that already look professional. In the search bar, type YouTube banner. Canva will instantly give you tons of ready-made templates sized perfectly for YouTube. Browse through the templates and pick one that matches your style. You can customize the colors, text, and images until it feels like you. Just drag, drop, tweak, and boom, you've got a perfect YouTube banner. Keep it clean and professional. Simplicity wins. Step 4. Uploading your banner to YouTube. Once your design is ready, download it. Now go back to your YouTube channel page. Click Customize Channel. Under Banner Image, click Upload and select your Canva design. YouTube banners display differently on different devices. On TV screens, your full image will show. On desktops, only the middle section shows. On mobile, it gets cropped even tighter. If it doesn't fit just right, hop back into Canva and tweak the size. Just make sure all the important stuff like your text and images stay right in the center, so it looks perfect everywhere. Always preview how it looks before hitting upload. Also, you can always update your channel name, handle, profile picture, even your banner anytime over here. You can tweak and update as your channel grows. After reviewing your setup, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This saves and locks in all your changes instantly. Now our channel is looking amazing. Step 5. Writing your channel description. This next step is all about saving you time and keeping things consistent. Your channel description. Think of this as your YouTube autopilot. Instead of filling in the same details every single time you upload, like your description, tags, or visibility settings, you can set them up once, and YouTube will automatically apply them to every new video. Your channel description is basically your elevator pitch. It's the space where you get to say, here's who I am, here's what I do, and here's why you should stick around. Remember, your description isn't only for viewers, it also helps YouTube's algorithm figure out where your content belongs. It tells viewers instantly what to expect from you. People don't like mystery, they want to know, am I in the right place? Start with a catchy hook, clearly tell viewers what your channel's about, and sprinkle in keywords so YouTube knows your niche. If writing isn't your strong suit, don't worry, you can always use ChatGPT. Prompt it with something like, write me a professional, engaging, and SEO-optimized YouTube channel description for my channel called Nova Visionary. The channel is about teaching people how to use AI tools, online strategies, and smart digital methods to create sustainable income online. The description should clearly explain what the channel is about, who it's for, and what value viewers will get. Then tweak the result to match your personal vibe. AI won't do all the work, but it can give you an awesome starting draft to polish. So, head over to YouTube Studio. Click on Customization. Under your profile, scroll down to the description section and simply paste your channel description into the box. Right in this same section, you can also add links like your social media, website, that will appear as clickable icons on your channel banner. When you're happy with everything, click Publish in the top right corner to lock it all in. Now, on to something just as important, your public business email. In the same profile section, you'll see Contact Info, where you will add an email address. This is the email brands, collaborators, and fans will use to reach out to you. Adding an email shows you're serious about your channel and open for opportunities. And trust me, once you start gaining traction, having that contact option front and center is a lifesaver. Don't use your personal email. Instead, create a professional one that matches your channel identity with your channel name. It's small details like this that make your channel look polished and professional. Step 6. Adding a channel watermark. Here's a little known but powerful branding trick, the watermark. This is a small image that appears in the corner of all your videos. When viewers hover over it, they can click to subscribe. It's basically a subtle call to action baked into every video. Scroll to video watermark. Upload an image. Most creators use a small subscribe button logo. You can find free ones on Canva or design a simple one yourself. Set the display time. I recommend choosing end of video or entire video. Viewers might watch your whole video, enjoy it, and then forget to subscribe. The watermark is a friendly little reminder that says, "Hey, click here to stick around." Channel verification and essential settings. Perfect. Your channel looks the part now, but appearances aren't everything. To really unlock YouTube's power, you need to verify your channel and configure some key settings inside the YouTube Studio. Step 7. Verifying your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio. On the left side menu, scroll down and click Settings. Inside Settings, select Channel, Feature Eligibility. You'll see 3 levels of features: Standard Features, Intermediate Features, Advanced Features. To unlock the good stuff like custom thumbnails, uploading longer videos, and eventually monetizing your channel, you need to verify your account. Don't worry, it's super simple. Click on Intermediate Feature. Click on Verify Phone Number option. You'll enter your phone number, then you'll receive a 6-digit code by text or voice call. Enter the code and boom, your channel is now verified. Without verification, you're stuck with YouTube's default settings, which limits your creative control. Verification also protects your account's legitimacy. It shows YouTube you're a real human. Once you've verified your account with your phone number, your channel can now use all the good stuff. Let's talk about the advanced features real quick. This is YouTube's bonus round. This is where YouTube unlocks even more tools for creators. Things like adding external links in your video descriptions, embedding live streams, testing and comparing thumbnails, uploading more videos daily, and even appealing Content ID claims. But here's the thing, you don't really need to stress about this right now. Advanced features are more for when your channel starts growing and you're ready to scale up. To unlock them, you'll need to first enable intermediate features, then verify your identity through either video verification, a valid ID, or channel history. So for now, focus on creating content and growing your channel. Before we move on, there's another important step most beginners skip. A few years back, YouTube was fined heavily for mishandling kids' content, and ever since, they've tightened the rules. In your channel's advanced settings, you'll need to set whether your videos are made for kids or not. It's simple, but it matters, so be clear and honest. Read through YouTube's guidelines, decide where your content fits, and lock it in. Essential channel key settings. Now, let's talk about your channel's back-end settings. This is like flipping the switches in your car before you drive off. Seatbelt on, mirrors adjusted, gas tank full. Inside settings, go to Upload Defaults. Go to Basic Info. This section lets you pre-configure details that automatically apply to every video you upload. Saves you tons of time. And right here is the title and description box. For now, don't stress too much about these two. In our next video, I'll guide you step by step on how to make your titles and descriptions really work for you when uploading your first video. I'll also show you how to write attention-grabbing titles. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. But the key thing to look at here is visibility. I highly recommend setting this to private by default. Why? Because you don't want a video to go live the second you upload it. You want time to add titles, tags, descriptions, thumbnails, basically polish it before the world sees it. Once everything's ready, then you can manually switch it to public. Step 8. Tags. Next, let's move into a part of your channel setup that most beginners either skip or overlook: the tags. And trust me, you don't want to ignore this, because it plays a bigger role than you might think. Tags aren't the powerhouse for search like they used to be. YouTube's algorithm is much smarter these days. It relies heavily on your title, description, and actual video content. But tags still help clarify what your channel is about, especially if your name or niche is a little broad or has common spelling variations. Think of tags as little signposts that help YouTube avoid confusion. So, what kind of tags should you add? Keep them niche-focused. For example, if you're running a gaming channel, add tags like gaming, funny gameplay, let's play, or even specific games you cover. If you're in tech, tags like tech reviews, AI, chat, etc. Keep it clean, relevant, and avoid spamming random popular tags. It's about accuracy, not volume. Step 9. Keywords and SEO. Let's talk about keywords, the secret sauce of discoverability. Keywords are the words and phrases your potential audience is typing into YouTube's search bar. If you use the right ones, your videos show up. If you ignore them, you're invisible. For your channel description, think, what would someone search if they wanted to find content like mine? What are the popular phrases in my niche? Include those naturally in your description and even in your channel tags. Tools like vidIQ can help you discover popular keywords in your niche. Now, there's one more security step you don't want to skip: turning on two-factor authentication. It's an extra lock on your account that keeps your channel safe, and YouTube actually makes it a requirement before you can even start monetizing. Don't worry though, I'll dive deeper into the whole monetization process in our upcoming videos. And that's how you lay the foundation for a channel built to grow and make money. But this is just the beginning. Your first upload is where the magic happens. So, if you're serious about turning YouTube into your business, hit that subscribe button right now, turn on the bell, and get ready, because the next video will take you step by step through uploading and optimizing your very first video.